What's up, YouTube fam? This is Sly. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Talk Tech. I got it right here. This is the JBL PartyBox 310. We're about to open it up and see what all the hype is about. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so without any further ado, I got my handy dandy unboxing knife, and let's go ahead and get busy. So a simple cut on this side will do. Let's reach over here. And another precision cut. All right, and then one across the top. Oh man, did you feel the power in that? I felt that. Let's go ahead and set this to the side so I don't hurt myself. Okay. Oh wow, man, this is awesome. So if we look at the top, there we are. And you can see that it is very well protected. So first of all, we have a box, and we're going to take this box and set this to the side. Okay, our speaker is actually right here. So a little shake, shake, shake. Okay, so we have the speaker out. We're going to go ahead and take this box right here. So you can see there's nothing else in there. And we're going to go ahead and set that to the side. Okay. This side. I know this piece of styrofoam was not supposed to come off like this, but it is now. So we'll just go ahead and take that. Move this. Okay, so we have the speaker here, and the speaker obviously is still in the paper. And let's start off with this box. So if I had to guess what's in this box, I would say that obviously it's going to be our power cord and our directions. So we're going to open this up. And hey, look, nothing else in the box. Okay, don't need that. And obviously we have our power cord, as you can see. Set that here. And then we have paperwork and instructions in this box, in this plastic bag right here. So in this plastic bag, we have paperwork and instructions. We may need to look at this later. Set that to the side. So right here we have the front of the speaker itself, and you can see it has the JBL symbol on the front, or logo. As we turn it to the side, you see this side right here. It's going to be all black. You're going to see little rubber grips on there where you can sit it on the side, and also in black writing it's going to have the JBL logo. We turn it to the opposite side, and this does have a little bit of weight. You're going to see a big exclamation mark, and then you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 rubber grips also where you can sit it on the side. If we turn it to the back, we use the wheel this time. The back right here, you have wheels where you're able to tilt it back and actually roll it. Okay, so it makes it a little bit more easy to use and transport. Right here you have a plastic covering or rubber covering, and that is where your actual power cord is going to go into. So obviously your power cord goes right here, and that's where you're able to charge it. We close that. Okay, right here. This is part of the speaker. And then right here you also have a rubber covering. And you open this up, it simply lifts up, and you have your gain up and down. You have your input for a microphone or an instrument such as a guitar. So you turn that on and off. You have a USB slot. You have a button and this is TWS, and that is for linking more than one of these speakers together. And then you have an aux-in cord. You also have a daisy chain where you can do an aux-in and an aux-out cord also. So it gives you a lot of options as far as how to listen to your music. Okay, here on the top, there is a, how does it work? Oh, wow, okay, that's nice. So let me set this to the side so you guys can see this. So there is a actual handle here, and what you do is you push in on the handle, and that handle comes out, and then that way you're able to use your speaker and wheel it wherever you're going. Okay, and then on the bottom there's a little release, so you press in on that release and that slides back in. Or excuse me, on the top, I'm sorry. So once again, you push it in, the handle pops out. To release the handle, on the bottom there's a little button. You push that button in and it slides back in. Oop. Make sure that doesn't fall. And the top here is where we have all our functions, all our buttons, everything that operates this, okay? So obviously you have your power button there, Bluetooth. I believe this is for the lights, but you have all sorts of you have all sorts of different buttons: bass, boost, power, volume up and down, play, pause, synthesizers, A, B, C, D. So you have all your buttons up top here, and then there's actually a slot here for you to put your tablet or a phone in for when you're actually using the speaker. So let's go ahead and set the speaker on the side right here. And let's go over some of the features and some of the functions of this device. One other thing I want to show you is actually the bottom of the speaker also. And on the bottom here, you have what looks like a hand grip. And then there's a piece right here that does pop out. It doesn't seem to want to pop out, so I'm not going to force it until I actually read the directions. And then you have 4 rubber feet on here so that it's able to sit on a flat surface comfortably. And there are 2 handles on there, so you have your hand grip right here, and then your hand's able to fit in right there. So if you want to carry it, you're able to carry it like so. Okay. And like I said, this speaker does have some weight to it. So keep that in mind, that if you're looking for something that is light, this is not it, but this is a very good and powerful speaker. So if you actually go to the JBL website, you're going to look under party speakers, and there's going to be 6 different options there, starting from $299.95 on sale all the way up to $1,195, so right at $1,200. This is going to be the second highest, and this is the JBL PartyBox 310, and it currently retails for $499.99 on the JBL website. So this is the second highest that you can get as far as the party boxes. So really one of the biggest attractions to this, or a big attraction to this, is actually going to be that it has an 18-hour battery. So you charge this up, it takes 3.5 hours to completely charge, and then once completely charged, you're going to get 18 hours of music playtime. And obviously one of the benefits is that this is a portable Bluetooth speaker, so it doesn't have to be plugged in. So you can take it to the pool, you can throw it in the back of the car, on camping trips, wherever you're going, this speaker can go with you. So even though it is large, it is portable, and having the wheels on there is a big plus. Now, whether you're at the house doing a party or doing even a pool party, great feature is that this is IPX4, so it's splash proof. So you don't have to worry about somebody running by and knocking over a drink and it messing up your speakers. This will actually be protected from that. Okay, you can't submerge it in water, but spill proof, this is going to be covered. Another benefit of this is that you're able to get 2 speakers and connect them. So this has something called True Wireless Stereo using Bluetooth, and you can connect 2 smart party speakers. So you can connect 2 speakers and have them playing at the same time simultaneously. So that is a benefit of that. If you need more bass, more sound, more tempo, something louder, then you're covered, because you can actually connect 2 of these devices. With the JBL app, you're able to add a lot of different things as far as controlling the light and even sound effects. And we'll actually take a look at that. The control panel on this party box has a convenient built-in backlight. So if you're out somewhere and it gets dark and everything, you're still able to see what you're doing and what controls you're using even in the dark. So that is definitely a plus. And like I said, from the Party app, it's downloadable. It's on iOS, it's on Android. And with that, you can really just chill out, take control, switch tracks, change up the light show, karaoke features, whole bunch of different things you're able to do with that app. And we're going to take a close look at that in another video. What's great about this is that I said on the bottom there was actually a cover. That's actually for a speaker stand. So this is actually usable with most, or compatible with most speaker stands. So for those of you that are doing professional, need professional sound, whether it's DJing, whatever it may be, you're actually able to use a speaker stand on this device. With the karaoke mode, there's actually a dual mic, and there's a so you could do two mics, or you could do a mic and guitar. So if you're doing karaoke, you can sing solo, or you can bring that best friend up there, your loved one, and y'all can have fun and embarrass yourselves together. 240 watts, this speaker is kicking. It's going to put out, and whether the highs or lows on a song, they're going to both sound very clear and crisp with this right here. So I have my power cord right here, and we're going to actually go ahead and plug this up. Let's actually see if it has any power out of the box. So we're going to go ahead and see if there's any power coming out of here outside of the box. Where is the power button? Power button's right there. Oh, yeah. All right. All right, so I just powered on the party box right now. And as you can see, you have your little, what do you want to call this? You got your LED lights going on in the background. I'm hype already. So I haven't done anything else. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to download the app, because from my understanding, the app's going to control everything. So let's go ahead and download the app, see what it looks like, and then let's go ahead and jump back in here and just do a quick demo of the actual party box itself. All right, so now that we looked at the app, let's go ahead and sit down right here. So I got the app in my hand, and first thing I'm going to do is I'm not going to play any music right now, but let's go ahead and look at the light show. So under the light show, there's a lot of different choices that you have as far as what to do and what to choose for the speaker. And first of all, you have the choice of turning it on and off. So whether you want to have a light show on or off, that's at your own discretion. But I mean, what fun is it not to have the speakers going, the lights going on the speakers? I don't understand that. And then there's a bunch of preset with nightclub, and then you can actually mix them. So you're mixing several of them. But if you swipe left or right on this, you can actually see that the flow of the lights are actually changing. And then they have something on the bottom called freestyle, where you can actually change the particular patterns yourself. And you can actually even go as far as changing the color. So if you want the color to be a certain color, whether I want it to be blue, or if I want it to be, I don't know, let's make it orange, you can actually change the color yourself. So you actually have full control over the lights, and that is really exciting. Okay, the app is easy to use, and I'll dive into the app. I'll do a quick video later on the app. The app is very easy to use, and so far it's a lot of fun. DJ effects. This is awesome. So we have everything from ready. Are you guys ready? So we got everything from the ready to dogs barking. I don't understand that one too much. I love the air horn. Love the air horn. Clapping. Thank you. And then you have scratching. So you can actually scratch during the middle of a song if you wanted to. Okay, and a like. Hey! And you also got your booing also. So that is just a real quick, fast, down and dirty on the PartyBox 310 from JBL. I'm going to do a few more videos in here, go into a lot of depth, but this is an awesome speaker. I am going to do a DJ, a party tomorrow, so I'll have some shots from that also. But I'm really looking forward to getting some time with this and sharing my experience with you guys. Make sure you push that thumbs up button if you like the video, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this and a lot of other videos on this channel. As always, I appreciate you guys, and I'll check you on the next one.